Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 95 to 04 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your vehicle's hitch and bumper and carefully lift and remove its bed. We cover how to do this in another video linked below. Lift the vehicle and support it with jack stands. And remove its wheels. Step 4. Support the rear axle with a jack stand. With a 19mm socket, remove the nuts from the shackles and remove their bolts and bushings. Unless you intend on replacing them, you'll need to retain and reuse these, so we suggest cleaning the part free of rust and recoating them. Step 5. With a 17mm socket, remove the shock from the upper mount. With a 14mm socket, remove the 5 bolts securing the spare tire crossmember. Step 6. Hold the part up to the frame and take note of its coverage. Begin cutting away the brackets and unwanted frame and clean it to reveal bare metal, both inside and out. Step 7. Attempt to push the part into place while taking note of any obstructions. Continue to cut away and clean until the parts slide on. The bottom of the part features a drain hole. If there is frame in the way, we recommend marking the hole and cutting it out prior to continuing. Step 8. Attempt to reinstall the hardware into the crossmember. Use this method to assist in the alignment of the part, as well as to help hold it in place for welding. Step 9. Tack weld and clamp the section to the frame and begin welding across all edges and weld slots. Step 10. While again using the holes for alignment, clamp and tack the shackle mount to the frame. Step 11. The frame section insert can be installed in 2 ways, by removing the factory one or by placing it over it. Simply insert the part into the channel and line up the 2 frame holes. Tack and weld it into place across all edges. Step 12. Begin reassembling your vehicle starting with the shackle mount, bushings, and hangers. Reinstall your shock, your tires, bed, and bumper. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.